What's going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I am on top of the HogOn Cafe right now. I'm taking a few photos and doing a small video actually to send to a guy to give me some ideas on doing my deck. Now I can do this deck myself, but I'm actually pricing it around because I want to see someone that specializes in it to see how much they'll charge me to do them when I'm doing them a lot. You know what I mean? This first one I'm gonna probably just buy everything and do it myself. We're gonna do wood. I don't know what size. I don't know if it's gonna be a 2x8 or a 2x6. I'm still thinking, but I'm gonna do my measurements, see what I got here, and then that'll determine what I'm gonna use when I'm putting this in. So that's what I'm doing right now. Just line everything out. I gotta come back up here and weld everything off. Right now it's just tacked all in nice and neat. So I'm gonna fall back, weld everything off, and get back on it here in a minute. Hold on.